This country.
Major hurricane barreling toward the Gulf Coast.
We are watching a Category 5 hurricane, Hurricane Katrina.
Katrina is now a Category 5 hurricane.
Right now, we are exercising believe in the city.
Hurricane Katrina has upgraded itself to a Category 5
the
hurricane.
danger this hurricane poses to Gulf Coast communities.
Did you know that nearly 60% of Americans are completely unprepared for a major disaster? No emergency plan, no supplies. If something happens, whether it's a blackout, a war, or a financial collapse, millions could be in serious trouble. And the scariest part? Most won't realize it until it's too late. So today, let's talk about the reality of a global collapse and what you must do now to protect yourself and your loved ones. Throughout history, we've seen how quickly things can fall apart. Hurricane Katrina in 2005 left over 1,800 people dead, many because of lack of preparation and slow government response. During the COVID-19 pandemic, store shelves were empty within days. People fought over toilet paper, medical supplies ran out. In 2022, Ukraine was invaded, and ordinary people had to flee overnight with only what they could carry. Disasters, natural or man-made, don't wait for you to be ready. They hit hard, fast, and without warning. Now let's break down what we're facing today. We're not just talking about one type of disaster. We've got natural events like earthquakes, hurricanes, and wildfires increasing in strength and frequency. We've got inflation, global debt, and food shortages already creating cracks in the economy. We've got rising tensions between major powers like the US, China, Russia, Iran, and Israel, pulling us closer to global conflict. And let's not forget cyber attacks, supply chain breakdowns, and pandemics that can grind society to a halt. Take a moment and imagine, what would you do if the power went out tomorrow and stayed out for weeks? But even with all this happening, so many people still do nothing. Why? Some think it's fear-mongering. Others assume help will always arrive. And many just don't know where to start. Misinformation online doesn't help either. There's too much noise and not enough action. So what can you actually do right now to prepare? Start with the basics. Stock up on at least 2 weeks' worth of food and clean drinking water per person. Build a go bag with essentials like a flashlight, first aid kit, power bank, water filter, copies of important documents, and basic hygiene items. Know how to shut off your gas, electricity, and water. Have a communication plan with your family. Where to meet, what to do if you're separated. Learn basic survival skills like fire starting, cooking without power, and first aid. Most importantly, stay informed, but verify your sources. Preparedness isn't panic, it's peace of mind. It's knowing that no matter what happens, you won't be caught off guard. So let me leave you with this. The next big disaster won't announce itself. You won't get a countdown timer. It'll just happen. And the only question will be, were you ready? Now's the time to take action. Not later, not someday, right now. Don't be part of the 60% who suffer in silence when the system fails. Be the one who saw the signs and prepared. Your future self and your family will thank you. There's so much more we're going to unpack in the coming days. You'll want to be here for it. The next things we'll be talking about, well, let's just say you don't want to miss them. So hit subscribe, leave a comment, and make sure you're ready.